Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ICB network token. Ticker symbol is Icbx. Now this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 5th. On a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, at ICBX_network, blue verified checkmark, 447 tweets, almost 9,000 Twitter followers. And it was just announced on Twitter. It says ICB Network's mission is to create a layer 1 blockchain providing a secure, transparent, and decentralized platform for users and developers. And this token will be listed on Lbank, which is a very big central exchange, December 5th at 12 p.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then on December 5th, anytime after 12, go into the trade section and search ICBX, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says in October 2020, ICB Labs was established, marking the first concrete step for the company ICB Crypto Services into the blockchain industry. Now the goal is to broaden the company's perspective, find new areas of problems to solve, and address recent challenges in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space using well-known modern technologies. Under the guise of Ideal Cooperation Blockchain, ICB, so that's what it stands for, this division set out to design smart contracts and enable instantaneous middleman-free transactions using widely used blockchain platforms. As a result of its rapid expansion, the ICB network is now among the most notable and cutting-edge blockchain initiatives in existence. The fact that it is the initial project layer and is one of the most distinguishable features by causing significant modifications to the blockchain structure, this feature enables the ICB network to emerge as a first-layer network by tackling issues and concerns with current blockchain services. Notable among ICB network features is the Icbx. Thanks to its clever design and inclusion of the project schematic technical symbol, this feature enables the network to adapt the size of the blocks according to requirements, which can range from 700 bytes to 820 bytes. The network's capacity to store and retrieve data effectively and respond rapidly to user queries is guaranteed by the unequaled capability. And on top of that, the ICB network is all about smart contract development to fix the biggest issues with current blockchain services. Now, these updates boost the effectiveness of the network and make using it more pleasant for everyone. By prioritizing efficiency, security, and innovation, ICB Crypto Services has risen to the position of industry leader in the blockchain space. In the absence of middlemen, this business is building a better and more adaptable future. Now, so the ICB blockchain, built on proof-of-stake POS consensus algorithm, stands as a leading blockchain platform pioneering unique and intricate theoretical concepts. These pioneering theories empower our developers to craft a framework underpinned by identity value, where network members directly contribute to the blockchain validity. Now, this validity, unlike traditional systems reliant on trust and central authorities, is rooted in the collective identity and active participation of its community. The ICB network, when combined with the POS consensus process, has a notable benefit of being environmentally friendly. Now, the ICB POS systems help preserve the environment by utilizing optimal algorithms and reducing energy consumption in contrast to the traditional financial transaction procedures that are marked by high rates of resource and energy consumption. By facilitating safe and transparent transactions in blockchain systems, these platforms contribute to the attainment of environmental objectives. A defining feature of the ICB network POS consensus mechanism is the focus on identity value and its direct impact on delegate selection. Instead of individual token holdings solely determining their influence, the network considers factors like community reputation, contributions, and past performance. This incentivizes members to actively engage in the ICB ecosystem and contribute meaningfully shaping the direction of the blockchain through participatory governance structures. So blockchain platform developments face a formidable obstacle of scalability. Scalability issues mostly relating to the network security plagued early blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. While this is certainly a plus, there were restrictions on the amount of transactions that could be processed in a given time frame. Because of the scalability issue, networks are less efficient and run more slowly. And because of this, networks unable to handle extremely high transaction throughput. So it says here, essential features of tokens, including their names, token total supply, symbols and decimal places, fundamental operations, such as token transfers and balance inquiries, are also highlighted in the standard. You won't find a more secure smart standard than this one. Think about the ICB network's incredible speed in conjunction with the safety of this standard. You are aware that the ICB network facilitates the management of many tokens in a digital wallet and that ERC20 permits the simple transfer of tokens, and as a result, the standard can process of up to 1,200 transactions per second while providing unmatched security. So go check this token out. You can find a full document section at docs.icb.network, and you can find their webpage at icb.network. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.